Hello everybody, Mr. Allen here. I just wanted to let all of my sixth graders and their parents know about the sixth grade project due date. So I'm going to run through this. Alright, sixth grade famous poet project is due on and no later than April 6, 2021. If your sixth grader has not finished their project, they need to have the 6th, which is the due date. Thank you guys for understanding, and my contact information, which is right down here. You can contact me at my email for any questions, beaverstristan9@gmail.com. And I can't guarantee that I'll get back to you right away, but within the next day, I should be able to get to you guys. Alright, that was a very quick thing. Nothing 100% serious because you guys still have, I think, 2 weeks left to get it done. It is due on April 6th. Like, that is the due date. I will not accept it no later than April 6th because it will be a 0, like, with no exceptions. So, great rest of your spring break. I know you guys are on spring break. Sorry to bother, but I did feel like I needed to get this out just as a reminder. Please let your child know, and enjoy the rest of your spring break, guys. I'll see you guys on Monday.